Why have you chosen to die a painful death, Ikenga? Confess before everybody here and save your life.
Let him swear. Let him swear now. And I was in the Wuniru shrine. Let him swear.
Obiego, just swear and save yourself.
Stop it. Come back. Leave him, let him take the oath. Allow him to die, is that what you mean? He will not die.
I stand in the shrine of Oba to say today that I know nothing about the death of the Onowu. If I am guilty,
complete it, Ikenga, or Oba will kill you. Finish it.
No. Hell, become one name. I beg you. Irrespective of everything that is happening, I still don't want to lose you. You're still my brother. Please just tell them the truth and let's leave here.
My own is let him give me back my money.
Please.
Since he wants to die, let him give me all the money I sent to him. Since no, you don't want to just confess and save your life. You want to die, eh? Send me back my money and you can go to wherever you want to go. You can just die. But my money is very important to me.
Barnabas, if this young man dies, I will hold you responsible. Hold me responsible. He will not die.
if I am guilty, let Oba strike me dead.
He's fine.
What do you mean he's fine? I'm asking you where my husband is and he is not picking up my call.
He's in a meeting with some elders. He sent me to get something for him.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure.
You may go. Please just take my calls and say something.
I held my breath till he dropped the offer. That was when I knew that nothing would happen to him.
I felt so too. Because I thought Oba was going to strike him dead. In fact, Iche, I am so happy. Very happy.
I felt the same. We would have lost that huge amount of money he shared to us at Barnabas' place when we held the last meeting.
Okwota should forget about everything. Obiego will influence the people of Akama clan with his money.
Yes, it's so. But I am still thinking.
Yes.
Still think. Who killed Onowu? Who killed Onowu?
That's the big question. I wonder what should be the motive of that person who did that.
That is what our community has to find out. We have to figure it out.
Oh yes. Well, we have to put our ears to the ground then.
Yes. I'm vigilant over our land.
We have to. We just have to.
All right.
Well,
Let's be going.
Then just let's go. Everything we have to do, we should be vigilant.
Emakansi boutique mu, makbu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke tala fufu no wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne emakansi boutique mu, jena Colombia je piale gono ai. Men fulo ife no, ema men tala fufu no. Boutique mu we bunye gino, ibulike mu we zabodogu ai. Muna giye mwokwano no, wanne iye ni dinano. Boutique mu we bunye gino, ibulike mu we zabodogu ai. Ole wagonu mo, wanne imalo lechie ai. Dress mu na China, dress mu na Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano ai. Men tala fufuno, wanne dress mu na Colombia, dress mu na Paraguay. Wanne afufunta lelikano, imalo gele wagonu mo, ole wagonu mo. Emakansi boutique mu, makbu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke tala fufuno wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne emakansi boutique mu, jena Colombia je piale gono ai. Men fulo ife no, ema men tala fufuno. Boutique mu we bunye gino, ibuli.
Oh, Chineke.
Good day, ma.
Yeah, okay. What are you doing here?
Can't you talk? Looking like the imbecile you are. What are you doing in my house?
Chinua, why are you doing this to me?
Hey, just shut up. Keep quiet. What am I doing to you? What have I done to you, Peter? What have I done to you? That should be the question. I haven't done anything to you. You are the one that has done something to me. Peter, leave me alone now. Is it by force? What is it?
I can't stay without you.
Yeah.
Chi, I love you.
Oh, shut up. Shut up your mouth. What do you know about love? Me looking at your face, everybody knows you don't mean it. Even people looking at you know you don't mean it. Because you don't know what love is all about. Love is about giving, taking somebody abroad, doing shopping, getting her everything, and cooking for her. You see, this is your sweet mouth. It will no longer work on her. Look at your face looking like a dog's own. Malaya. Who knows? Get away. Stop.
Chinua, Chi, come back to me. I still love you.
Eh? May God punish you. Come back to who?
To me.
No. For what? What am I doing with you, Peter? Peter, what am I doing with you? Don't you leave me alone.
I can't.
Leave me alone now, Peter.
I can't.
Ha, Peter. Oh.
Bia, biko. Madu, ada abupo. Bia kwa, tukulu kwa la charo. Ifa popora popo kebo. Therefore, go home. Ebo saliva.
She said you should go. At least poverty did not make you deaf. Nawa.
That's taking his brain off.
I can stay without you.
Oh.
Please.
Okay.
I love you.
No, so Wadiro, you don't want to leave. Sit down, enjoy and relax. Since you don't want to go, we will leave this place for you. Inocha, Ina. Lego do work, You are coming back to who? Who are you coming back to? You want to see Kabat? No, that's it, Peter. Because let's go, Mama. Inocha, Kabad man. Mama, because let's go.
I'm not smelling now. Hi. Alele. Hi. Oboy ajoka. Come on. Oboy kagabueze. Ngabueze. Chi. Ngemeche bueze.
Hello. Did you receive my message? Okay, fine. Get back to me as soon as possible, okay? Alright. I'm waiting.
Adam.
Are you not going with me again? Mama, please, I've changed my mind. Why? Nothing. I don't want to go there. You can ask Nkem to accompany you. I'm not going.
I hope all is well.
Mama, I'm fine. I just changed my mind.
In that case, let me go alone. Cambia kwa. Bye-bye. Bye.
Where are you hurrying to?
Barnabas, I'm hurrying home. There is big trouble. Big trouble.
Big trouble. What happened?
Ubiego's wife is missing as I'm talking to you now.
What do you mean by Ubiego's wife is missing?
Are you doubting me? Eh? She went out yesterday and up till now she has not returned. Is it not missing?
Bia, where did you get that information from?
Ha! I am coming straight from his house now. The young man is stressed. He's in trouble. The worst is that he cannot get her on phone.
Hey.
That is the extent of the problem now.
This is serious.
Huh. You can go to his house. The young man is troubled. Go and find out yourself. You will believe me more. Now let me go. Hey!
Ubiego's wife missing? Hey. What must have happened to her? Where could she be? Let me go and check.
Yes, boss.
You were the only one here when my wife left yesterday. Did she tell you where she was going to?
No, boss. She did not tell me where she was going to.
When you opened the gate for her to leave, did you see anyone outside waiting for her?
No, boss. There was nobody waiting for her side. I'm sure about that.
Phone has been switched off for a while. I think something is wrong. Leave.
Thank you, boss.
Ubiana kote ego nke mbụ. Dịka na fọlọ mbụrụ n'ọba. Aka ebuchie ya nka. Boss, is there anything I can do for you?
Oil my gun. I've not used it in a while.
Yes, boss.
Ubiego nenoa. Ubiana kotego nenoa. Onye chego no mwelonu aye. Onye chego no pupodogo. Anekwe anememe ifugo. Ubiego no jipano mko. Everybody one rapper. if we're gonna know Udego, I am a lipo nati falo nego denadi I Udego wanu na meze Udego buku dogo Ndozo na kutanu jinubi iyele Manikenga bego kona kutanu biyao Onwele kodogu se meni feyao Okwane kwane meni Ay Udego neno Iye ubiana kotego neno.
No, come inside now.
No. I don't have time for that. Where's my wife?
Your wife?
Yes.
She's not here.
But she was here yesterday.
Yesterday, yes. But she left immediately. She's not back yet.
She's not back. And her phone is off.
What? Where could she be?
I don't know. Do you know where she could have gone to?
No, she didn't tell me she was going somewhere else from here. That yesterday she left.
You're sure she didn't tell you anything? Anything at all?
No. Just that she left in a hurry because Peter was here too.
Excuse me. She left in a hurry because Peter was here. What happened?
Peter was here, was trying to make a fuse, so she left.
Peter?
China, dress him in Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano, I men with a laugh of no. One may dress him na Colombia, dress him na Paraguay. One afufunta lelikano, Imanobia Lewagano, Imakansi boutique mo, Map Indonesia, Jepatike, I walk at a laugh of Noah.
Lutana. Etunam now. Again. Mba again now. Eh? Don't ask me how I'm doing because you don't want to know. Don't even dare to ask me how I'm doing because.
Hey. Now get it one.
If you don't know, I am very angry with everybody. Magi, Mamadu, I'm very, very angry with everybody.
You don't have to be angry with anybody.
Why won't I be angry? No, tell me, why won't I be angry? What have you done concerning my case with Ikenga? No, what have you done as a big sister? Or you think I'm mad? No, more now. I just shout for nothing. Because you people don't know how I suffered to make that money. How much did I send to you to establish yourself? 5 million naira. You can't see Taufo. You can't see Wall Street. Where wanted that money? Send the Alugia. Send the Ali Kenga. Everybody's just keeping quiet. Like Mua Boanyala. Akwea? Na Mua Buzonyala now. Ibo abago misi. Ama uziala. But no problems. Oh, Balane, mem. My problem is blood. My problem is blood. Because of the same place we came out from. That is why I'm keeping quiet. Manobeloge. Okay, lewam.
Lutana. Najin wayo. Kisi agwamo etu. Akwamo na guku ni yeni na. Why?
Na muna get sego. Only one for everybody now. Muna get sego. Muna get sego. Muna geku. Ngiwana na Johnson HM kisi muna geku.
Agota kwa mi hine ekuseku, Imakuboro na mbugro guje na nki Ikenga. You don't have to talk like that, Lutana.
Man, Owufuro now. Now, Owufuro now. Owufuro at all. Owufuro, you know Paul. But listen, I'm Piagi the headline. Imoku muni Ikenga. Or Vanguard ge beer. Vanguard ge beer. The Madiga ni family Ikenga. I have perfected all my plans with Ikenga. I said to gum trap where next year. And by the time I strike, nobody should blame me about it.
Lutana, his wife is missing, oh.
Whose wife is missing?
Ikenga's wife, of course. She has not been seen since yesterday.
Good for him.
Lieutenant!
Onwekosi Basam. No, Onwekosi Basam. Don't worry. Very soon, he will be the one to miss. By the time I start with my plans, I'm going from Suoje now. Don't Jina. Oswo, Oswago.
Lieutenant!
Nga where?
Lieutenant! Hey! Qu'est-ce qu'on va se couper? It is shown at this bar. My okay. Why is he talking as if he knows what happened to this one? Lieutenant! No. You can't Lieutenant!
Leonie.
Has he talked?
No, boss. He insists he knows nothing about Madame's whereabouts.
Where is my wife, Peter? Where is my wife?
I don't know her whereabouts. You were suffering me for nothing.
You followed her to her parents' house. Why?
I went there to have a word with her.
Then you kidnapped
her. I did not kidnap her, Ikenga. I left her at her father's place after the mother asked me to leave.
For the very last time, Peter, where the hell is my wife?
Ikenga, tell your men to let me go. I do not know the whereabouts. I do not know.
It is obvious you do not want to say the truth. It's also obvious you have no idea who you're dealing with. You will not leave here alive until you tell me the whereabouts of my wife. Take him and drill him more.
Yes, boss.
Ikenga. Yes, boss. Ikenga. 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 You don't make me intimidate her. Ikenga. Eh? Ikenga. Moi qui l'aime intimidate.
Where is my in-law? Has my daughter been found?
Not yet, ma.
I need to see my in-law. Let me know what is going on.
I'm sorry, ma. You cannot see him at the moment.
Did you just hear what I said?
I heard you.
I said I am his in-law. Mother to his wife, Chioma.
What is going on?
Please tell him I want to see him.
I know. She said she wants to see boss. And I told her she cannot see him at the moment.
Madam, please go and come back later, okay? I say go and come back later. Madam, please. You cannot stay here, please.
And I said no.
I said go and come back later, please.
I said no.
Madam, please go.
I am not going anywhere. We are talking about my missing daughter. You want me to go and come back later? And I said no.
Madam, please, you cannot stay here.
Why? I'm not going anywhere. Come and carry me. Is it because of me you are wearing this thing? Yeah. I want to see my baby. I'm talking about my daughter.
My wife has not shown up till now. And that bastard Peter has refused to talk. Is it possible he has nothing to do with the disappearance of my wife? Then who is responsible for it? Could it be Lotanna? Maybe Lotanna kidnapped my wife to punish me. If it's not Lotanna, who else? Who?
Lotanna, what's your plan concerning your case with your brother? Or have you decided to forget everything?
Forget everything. Wait, did you just say forget everything? Guy, you are you. To tell you the truth, if you weren't my friend, I would have asked you to leave my house now. Is it against it? No, did he send you to tell me to forget about my sweat?
I only asked you a simple question.
No, that is not a question. That is a very stupid and senseless question. Are you out of your mind? If you got 600 million, do you know what is 600 million? Do you know how I suffered the risk I took to raise that money? You should have 600 million be Kumas. You think it's a child's play? And you're telling me to forget about the money. Oh, he sent you. He sent you. Me forget me now. Leave my house.
Lotanna, you are insulting me.
Why you also get out of my house?
Was only showing concern.
Which other concern do you want? You've gotten what you wanted. I couldn't want to go the reply you wanted. What else? Guy, why here?
Alright.
It's your guys.
I will leave your house.
Why here also stop? Get out of here also. I'm not fear. Forget about my sweat. It's your life you will forget about. I don't blame you people in this village. You're just seated here. Do you know how I toyed? You want someone on the streets. We feel no enough for what 600 million. You're telling me to forget. Next time you won't survive this stupid question. I'm not fear. I'm suspecting you. No get enough for. Day and night and then no can when we go. Be here another come out.
Jena Colombia to Biale, I man fully feminine. My man with a laugh of fun. Mbitike we bunyekinu, ibulikemu we sabotogu I. Munagi and Wopano, one day you need that. Mbitike we bunyekinu, ibulikemu we sabotogu I. All I want to know, one man in my knowledge.
Have you said anything meaningful?
No, boss. Ikenga, you will pay for everything you've done to me. You will never go scot-free, kid.
If I find out you know about the disappearance of my wife, I'll cut off your balls and feed you with them. I'll have no mercy.
I can't do anything. You will give account of everything that happened to my wife. You shall give.
Take this asshole out of my compound.
Yes, boss. Get up! Get up! Move it! You can't go. Move it! You pay!
Jena Colombia to Biale, I man fully feminine. My man with a laugh of fun. Mbitike we bunyekinu, ibulikemu we sabotogu I. Munagi and Wopano, one day you need that. Mbitike we bunyekinu, ibulikemu we sabotogu I. All I want to know, one day in my knowledge I dress a muna China, dress a muna Indonesia. I from Talikano, I men with a laugh of no. One day dress a muna Colombia, dress a muna Paraguay. One day from Talikano, in my no yellow gonna know. In my cancy boutique, my Indonesia, the party I. Woke tala fufu noa. Woke fulo ife noa. Wanne emakansi butikenu. Jena Colombia jebale kunu. Ai men fulo ife nune. Ema men tala fufu no. Butikemu we.
Does it look like your wife's house? I'm not a very patient. Where is my wife?
Are you not a fool? Are you not a fool at 40 to think that I will tell you your wife's whereabouts even if I know?
Call me a fool. Huh?
Ibu is a good girl. No, you want me to repeat? I'm not snogging. Snogging. I forgot to Zubuko here also. No, dare touch me before we're not talking to you. No, lay your filthy hands on me.
Lutana, where is my wife? Where is my wife?
Can you do my 600 million? Where is my money? Can you go KJ Mepuga? KJ go to Lafu, I want that. I'm
giving you 24 hours to produce my wife, else you'll feel my wrath.
What? Kill you there? See, I know why I'm keeping quiet. I haven't started dealing with you. By the time I start with you, you will vomit all the time I spent on you. If all the money I spent on you, do you know how I suffered day and night to make that money? Send the alugia, you will let go as you
If you make me come back here again, I'll forget that you introduce my wife.
Forget my wife. Forget you can need the guys. People can have my money. For that money, you get I will spend. You can have my money. You can have my money. And I do your wife. And I do your wife. Come here, come on, get up here. If you don't die, I will die. If you don't die, I will die. You can't get go. You can't get. I know you can hear me. So back it up. I do your wife. You're asking me about your wife. Your wife with my money, Abi? No, your wife is the money I sent to you.
Jena Colombia jebale kunu. Ai men fully feminine. My men tala fufu no. Butikemu we bunye kinu. Ibulikemu we zabotogu. Ai muna kiye wopwa no. Wana iye ni dinanu. Butikemu we bunye kinu. Ibulikemu we zabotogu. Ai ole wagonu mo.
Are you telling me that up till now, Ubiego's wife has not been found?
Yes, sir. I was with Ubiego throughout last night. His wife's number is still switched off.
Then where could she be?
That is what I don't know. You know, the dangerous thing now is that Ubiego is beginning to suspect Lotana for the adoption of the wife. And he's threatening to deal with him.
Yes. Lotana can do it. I know him very well.
No. He can't do that.
So, what do you mean he can't do that? Have you forgotten that both of them have serious issues?
Yes, I know they have serious issues. But that is not enough for somebody to kidnap his own blood brother's wife. It's not possible now. Think about it.
Then who did it?
How will I know? That's what we need to find out.
I hope you are not suspecting Okwato. Because that man has no such thing in his mind at all.
How do you know? You are forgetting that he's a contender to the throne. So you can't just exonerate him like that. I mean, he has a motive.
Okwato I know very well. I can even swear for him. Because he's a very responsible gentleman. Yes.
Where is it? With this problem now, Ubiego's ambition is threatened though.
Are you sure he can be the next Igwe of this kingdom? Are you sure?
Are you the one talking like this? No. I am beginning to suspect you.
How?
Yes.
Is it wrong to just say a thing like this? I'm only asking a question.
It's wrong. Do you know the amount of effort we've put in this project?
Did I not also put in effort? Yeah, so why you saying whether it will be our next thing with all the resources we put inside and what we get from it?
I'm only just looking at it from both angles.
I know.
If this one doesn't work, will it be the next one? That's why. It's not because I wanted to do. I'm against him. It's not.
You are not a suspect. You are a suspect. Yes. Serious suspect. Lotana! Anybody home? Lotana! Somebody should be in this place. Lotana! Lotana! I was knocking at the front gate. I didn't know you were here.
I asked a question. What are you doing here?
Take it easy now, easy. Actually, I came to see you with respect to what your brother told me. He said you are the one responsible for the wife's disappearance. That's why I came, so that we can dialogue.
So you have come to arrest me?
Mbano, me, arrest you? Who am I to arrest you? Even if I'm a policeman, you are my blood now. I can't arrest you now.
Now listen. Go back and tell him. Tell him to get ready for me. Is either he dies or I die. One person must die. Go and tell him.
Why would you kill? No, I don't want to lose anybody. Don't say that.
Go and tell him that. Tell him what I said now.
You mean I should go?
No. Just hold on. Let me offer you red wine. Your blood.
Is this not Iche? What's pursuing him? Iche! Good afternoon. Who is after you?
Who told you somebody's after me?
Oh.
Can't I just exercise myself again?
I see. I'm sorry about that. I never knew you were a sport lover.
You never knew I'm a sport lover?
Yeah, I never knew.
Why do you think my stomach is flat and I'm looking young every day?
No wonder.
No anyway, Hookwater, what do you want?
Oh, for that. Iche, Tell Ubiego, your friend, that killing Onowu will not stop I, Okwoto Ekeneze, from becoming the Igwe of this land.
Okwoto. Ubiego did not kill Onowu. Yes, he didn't kill Onowu. Were you not there when he took the oath?
Iche, I know what people can do. You people must have manipulated the oath taking. Yes, that is why I, Okwoto Ekeneze, never rely on the oath taking. Yes.
Wrong. You are very wrong. No man born of a woman can manipulate the powers of Ogba. And let me warn you, watch your tongue. Watch your tongue before you incur the wrath of the gods on you and your entire generation. Yes.
Anyway, tell Ubiego that I, Okwoto Ekeneze, is unstoppable. He thought Onowu was the main force behind me. No, never. Tell him to stop spending his brother's money and his precious time. He will never smell that throne. Take that message to him.
Is the force behind this man. Ubiego must hear this. He was so full of himself when he spoke to me. As a matter of fact, he displayed so much confidence and arrogance that I almost developed cold feet.
Did forget about Okwoto? He's a defeated man. Do not worry about him.
Ubiego, I'm worried. In fact, the way he sounded, it's like there is someone or a force solidly behind him. Yes.
Who?
I don't know, but we need to find out.
All right. Do your investigation. Find out and let me know.
Okay, I will do just that.
Ichie,
Ubiego.
do you think Okwoto is capable of kidnapping my wife?
Considering all that has transpired, I actually thought about it myself. But I'm not too sure. By the way, what is the police doing about the matter?
I'm not relying on the police. I don't think they can help me. I'll get back my wife. They won't get away with it. My wife will come back. You can't touch my wife and go scot-free. It's not possible. I'll get her back and I'll deal with whoever is responsible.
I trust you.
The door is locked. I don't think there's anyone inside.
Break it down. It might be hiding in there. Break it down. You, Godfrey.
Anything?
Yes. I think he was here. Look at the weed. He must have run away when we came in.
Yes, you're right. Let's go.
What's this waiting?
Woke follow ife no wa wanne e makansi butikenu jena Colombia je bialegonu ai men full ife no e ma men da la fofolo butikemu we bunyegenu ibulikemu we sabotogu ai muna giye wopwono no wanne iye ni dinanu butikemu we bunyegenu ibulikemu we sabotogu ai ole wagonu mo wanne e malolechi ai dress amuna China, dress amuna Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano, ai men utalafu funo. One man dress amuna Colombia, dress amuna Paraguay. One afufunta lelikano, imano gele wagono mo. Emakansi boutique mo, mapu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke talafu funo wa, woke fulo ife no wa. One man emakansi boutique mo. Jena Colombia je bialegonu ai men fully feminine in my men with a laugh of fun mbutike we
Galfano. Are they here now? Is the gun ready? The Igbo ready? Confirm. So you're coming when? Okay, make it snappy now. I'm an only one guy, yeah?
There is nothing to be afraid of. Everything is still working according to our plans.
Very good.
Yes.
I will call you this evening.
Okay.
But I am planning for another meeting tomorrow morning.
No problem. Just call on me, I will be there for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, my dear, I beg to leave right now.
No, just go. I'll get back to you.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
I thought you're one of Ikenga's supporters.
Who said I'm not?
So what are you doing with his rival?
So because I am Ubiego's supporter, I have no right to interact with any person any longer in this community. Is that what you're telling me?
Oh, I see. Interesting. You have the right to interact with his rival. Are you not just a psychopath? No, are you not just a snitch? You go around calling him big names, making him feel so important, like he has arrived. Huh?
Be careful. I will not have you insult me here this afternoon. Exactly.
Anyway, why am I even wasting my time? Serves him right.
him talking to his enemy.
You mean Lutana walked you out of the house?
Not only that, he also asked me never to come to his house again. I only asked him a question.
Hey. Nah, Lutana did not get it right this time around. Umetaria, you have always been on his side.
See, I wanted to help him take the matter to court. I have discussed with my lawyer. He gave me directions. Only for me to meet Lutana, he started misbehaving.
Hey, now because when you had no cool. Hey, because you know he's hot-tempered. Only we walk.
Even at that, even at that, he shouldn't have treated me that way.
I know. But please, don't be angry. You know he has not been happy all this while with everything happening around. Please don't take it to heart, because hey, Lutana,
I've heard you. Although I have not seen him since then, because I decided to give him breathing space.
Hey, I will talk to him as soon as I see him. He will listen to me. Oh, he needs you on his side in this matter. I will talk to him. Oh,
all right. Just greet your family for me.
Emakansi boutique mo, makbu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke tala fufu no wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne emakansi boutique mo, jena Colombia je piale gono ai. Men fulo ife no, ema men tala fufu no. Boutique mo we bunye gino, ibulike mo we zabotogu ai. Muna giye mwopo no, wanne iye ni dinano. Boutique mo we bunye gino, ibulike mo we zabotogu ai. Ole wagonu mo, wanne imanole chie ai. Dress mo na China, dress mo na Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano ai. Menu talafufu no, wanne dress mo na Colombia, dress mo na Paraguay. Wanne afufunta lelikano, imanole wagonu mo, ole wagonu mo. Emakansi boutique mo, makbu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke tala fufu no wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne emakansi boutique no, jena Colombia je piale gono ai. Menu fulo ife no, ema menu tala fufu no. Boutique mo we bunye gino, ibulike mo we zabotogu ai. Muna giye mwopo no, wanne iye ni dinano. Boutique mo we bunye gino, ibulike mo we zabotogu ai. Ole wagonu mo, wanne imanole chie ai. Dress mo na China, dress mo na Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano ai. Menu talafufu no, wanne dress mo na Colombia, dress mo na Paraguay. Wanne afufunta lelikano, imanole wagonu mo, ole wagonu mo. Emakansi boutique mo, makbu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke tala fufu no wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne emakansi boutique mo, jena Colombia je piale gono ai. Menu fulo ife no, ema menu tala fufu no. Boutique mo we bunye gino, ibulike mo we zabotogu ai. Muna giye mwopo no, wanne iye ni dinano. Boutique mo we bunye gino, ibulike mo we zabotogu ai. Ole wagonu mo, wanne imanole chie ai. Dress mo na China, dress mo na Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano ai. Menu talafufu no, wanne dress mo na Colombia, dress mo na Paraguay. Wanne afufunta lelikano, imanole wagonu mo, ole wagonu mo. Emakansi boutique mo, makbu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke talafufu.
Lutana.
Have you seen it?
What? What is it?
He came here and broke into my house.
Who? Onye?
Who else if not Ikenga?
Hey, where were you when he came?
I was out. This is a cigar. I have kept quiet enough.
Wait! You don't have to take those into your hands.
Whomever that adopted Madam has an ace up his sleeve. Imagine, we can't hear from her. No information. Nothing at all.
Jojo, now I know that Oga really loves his wife. Now I know.
Jack, you are the one saying this. That woman is everything to her boss.
Of course, of course.
Boy, check who's at the gate.
Yeah, can we help you? What do you want?
I come in peace. Okay. I just want to see my brother so we can discuss about it. Down! If you make any funny move, I will blow up your skull. This gun is already cocked. Drop your guns. Now! Any funny move? Down. Good. Good boys. Now, to the security house. Move. Turn. Move. To the security house.
Men with a laugh of one man dress and na Colombia, dress and na Paraguay, one laugh of Fontana, Imano Gelawa Gono, Imakansi Butikemu, Mapu Indonesia, Jepatike, I walk at a laugh.
Not Choma that was said to be missing. Where is she coming from? And why is she running?
Is that how disrespectful you have become? Huh?
Drop your gun. you, I will blow your skull.
I saw what you did outside. Bravo. Bravo.
Don't joke with me, Kinga.
That's what makes you a man. Steady. You're not a woman. I'm not surprised you're pointing a gun at me. It shows we're the same blood. It shows you learned from me, your elder brother. So on a steady basis. But if you don't leave here right now, I'll put a bullet in your head.
Ikenga, I swear with the grave of our father,
take a very good look at my gun. Can you see the size of my gun? Get out of my house now.
No.
I said get out of my house.
You will be the one to leave my property. This is my hard-earned money. I suffered to make this money.
Oh, shut up.
Ikenga.
Shut up, Lieutenant.
Ikenga.
Shut up, Lieutenant. I built this house. It is my money. You're gonna give me. You're gonna give them change. Get out of my house now. Get out.
Ikenga.
Yes. Leave my house. I will not say it again. Leave my house. Drop your gun. I will not say it again. Drop your gun. Drop your gun, Lieutenant. Drop your gun.
Guess who I saw? Chioma!
You saw who? Chioma?
I saw her with my 2 eyes.
You don't know who you saw.
Don't I know Chioma again? I saw her and as soon as she saw me, she ran away. Why? I don't know. She just saw me and took off.
Vera, are you sure she was the one you saw?
Sister, I know Chioma now. Don't I know Chioma again? It's Chioma I saw. Why is she angry?
I don't know. I'll talk to her later. But where could she have been all this while?
I've been asking myself that same question. Because I don't know why she saw me and she just took off.
Did you see her with anybody?
No. She was all alone.
Or just for your banaba? Didn't I choose one here?
Amam.
Ha.
Amam.
Something is not right. Welcome. Welcome. Go inside and carry on.
Have you heard?
Hello.
A date has been fixed for Otto's coronation.
What? Who told you?
A friend. She has a friend whose uncle is among the council of elders. They had a closed-door meeting yesterday and fixed a date. His coronation is in the next 2 Eke Market Day.
You mean they had a closed-door meeting last night?
So she said.
And they didn't tell me?
I wouldn't know. And how come your uncles didn't say anything about it? Listen, we need to do something about this. We can't just sit down and... You need to do something.
Now they'll know why I'm called Ubiego. They will find out why I'm called Ubiego.